Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Chris here with a quick little video, and today's video we're going to be doing a small mod on the 4Runner behind me. It is the Teton WorkShop shifter. Now they do make shifters. I checked their website. They do make shifters for the 4Runner, I believe all the way down to the 3rd gen, Tacomas and Tundras. They also do make shifters basically for the automatic shifter and the 4-wheel drive shifter as well. It's a billet aluminum shifter basically. You can get them detailed. I will show you. So the detailed part, you can get it kind of matching the color of your Toyota. So this one, of course, we got it in white, and it's a great shifter. It's a small detail. I believe it changes the interior. It's really subtle, and it's just kind of straight to the point, but it looks really cool. So I'm gonna get into it, and let's do that. All right, guys, there you go. Here is a great look at the Teton WorkShop shifter. It's got the little logo of the 3 trees. It says Teton WorkShop on it, outlined in the white to go with the color of the 4Runner. Like I said, they can match, or I believe that they just have basically every color for the Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, and 4Runners. Billet aluminum, looks fantastic. Changes how the truck looks. Good for any Toyota. It's really a budget mod, a little over $100. This is the factory shifter. The wood grain, I mean, it goes with the factory look, of course. The chrome accessory part, don't really care for. But this, to me, sucks. It's ugly. Get rid of it. That's what you want. From a distance, it looks great. Definitely something that you should pick up if you're a Toyota owner and just want to kind of change the look at a very modest price point and a modest look. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little cover of the Teton WorkShop shifter. Great for any Tundra, 4Runner, or Tacoma owner. Definitely check out their site. If you have a little money and it's after Christmas, it's something cool and it's, you know, really cheap you can get, and it does definitely, you know, change the look of the interior of the vehicle. And they have basically any color outlining, whatever, you know, factory color Tundra, Tacoma, or 4Runner you have. It's super easy to install, super quick. All you do is unscrew the factory shifter, screw this one on, tighten the Allen key, and it's not going to go anywhere. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps out the channel and the algorithm. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys later.